Ponsse Map Tools Production Tracker is a digital service which visualizes and manages the entire harvesting process, bringing the data from the machines, including the production and tracks, into one interactive map view. This is a multi-brand forwarded solution with a tablet device including the ability to add even subcontractors to the system. It enables operators, office staff and loggers to optimize productivity, logistics and decision-making, whether in the field or anywhere else. In the more Arctic areas, snowfall, even between shifts, can easily cover the logs, making it harder to identify tree species and locate assortments. With a production tracker, forwarder operators can quickly find the right assortments and species, keeping operations smooth, efficient and on schedule. This is especially valuable in snowy regions, where assortment types and volumes vary across market areas. On eucalyptus logging sites, tree species are uniform, so there is no need to select different assortments. Because the primary focus in these operations is on the number of logs and cubic volumes. Since the work is tracked by shift, we are able to ensure that during shift changes, operators know exactly where to continue. Forwarder operators can easily identify where the previous operator left off, enabling efficient planning for the next loads. At the office, managers have a clear overview of progress, where the machines have been working, how much has been harvested and how much has been moved to the storage, supporting better logistics and timely communications with the mills. In the German market area, there are dozens of tree species and timber assortments to manage. With the map tools, operators can easily find specific assortments, making work planning more efficient for forwarder operators. At the office, the readiness level of each logging site can be monitored, logistics can be managed, and sawmills can be notified when the timber is on its way. But let's take a look at the system itself. So this is the full screen view, and on the left sidebar you can see the work areas of this company, and you can search them by the search bar. And this is how we move to the different work areas. But let's go back to Jyväskylä. And now, in this view, we can see the production, different assortments by tree types, and we can also see the tracks of the harvesters, and we can also see the points of interest set by the harvester. These can vary from storage to boulders to electric lines, wetness. So basically the harvester is able to communicate to the forwarder where to go and where to not go. In this work area we have two harvesters working. You can see the yellow highlighted track and also the red highlighted track here. And from the machine details view, in here you can see which harvesters has been working in the work area, and you can see also harvesting details and details about the machine. The forwarder operator is able to use the lasso tool to plan their route and also to forward the production to storage areas. So from here I can see which assortments are on this track in this section, and I can then pick which ones I'm going to pick. So in this case, let's go with the pine. Then I will select the storage area, North Jyväskylä main depot, collect them to the storage. And now in the storage areas view, I'm able to see that I've collected the assortments I just picked. I can see the cubic volume of them, also the amount of logs. This is also visible for the Chief of Operations in the office, and the Chief of Operations is then able to plan and to tell the mills when there's products on the storage for pickup. The COO is also able to see from work area details how much has been already harvested and how much of it has already been forwarded. So when these figures here match up, you know that the work area is done. Then the COO is able to estimate when to call the pickup for the machines and continue planning the next site. You can also filter and customize the symbols for each assortment and tree type. This is mainly for the forwarder operator to get comfortable. Different maps, you're able to either as a forwarder operator, you're able to upload maps of your own, or the COO is able to add online map layers and offline map layers to the site.